I say good morning. Welcome to the English class. And I hope that Allah doing well, Allah fine, and Allah ready to attend the class. Okay? So, children, we will start now, little by little. This is your chapter. This is your chapter number 5. Look at the page number 23. Even the biggest trees begin life as tiny seeds. Yes, I think you know about trees. Just think about it. A tree begins life as a tiny seed. Now, I have to focus on something like this. You are growing children. You are growing up. You are from third standard. Okay? So I hope that you will be seven, 8 years old. Okay, just think. How old are you? Some say 7 years, sir. I'm 7 years old. I'm 8 years old. Okay, just think. Now, what happened with you? You are still growing. You are still getting height, weight. Okay? So, like us, our seed grows gradually, slowly and slowly. And just going to compare. You were in class 1, thereafter you were in class 2, then you were in class what? Sorry, you are still in class 3rd. So, you are growing year by year, 1, then 2, then 3 years. So you are getting height, you are getting weight, you are getting a chances, some chances, internal, external chances, yes. So like us, our seed grows gradually, and one day it becomes a plant. Thereafter, a plant becomes a big tree. Okay? So this poem is about how does our seed grows into a big plant. That is a theme. You just try to understand theme and mood of a poem. How does a seed grow into a plant and thereafter into a big tree? We will know here. Okay, so see, read about how the little acorn grew big. Little acorn, see, A-C-O-R-N, acorn. Do you know about acorn? It is a cedar. It is a kind of cedar. Okay? Cedar. You can say nut. What? A oak plant. Oak of an oak tree. See, oak tree. See, oak means an acorn grows into an oak tree, and acorn, it is a kind of seed. You can say, in other words, it is a kind of nut, and it is the seed of an oak tree. Acorn. So it is a seed. Okay? Yes. Just think. Here. So we will learn what happened here. Little by little, and acorn said. Who said little by little? Tell me. Yeah. Acorn. And acorn. So, who said? Yeah. Who said? See, who said? Little by little. You know, see, who said? Here, little by little. See, here, little by little. Here, who said? Now, an acorn and acorn said. And acorn said. What an acorn? What an acorn, beta? Cedar. Seed of an oak tree. Cedar nut, you can say. Yeah. Acorn said little by little. Just think about the first line. After that, as it slowly sank in its mossy bed. Okay? See. Means it is sinking. Where? It is sinking. It is going down in the soil. Mossy means what? Moisture, water. You can say mossy means moisture. Okay? Bed. You know bed. The surface on which a seed can grow easily. Mossy. Such kind of bed is suitable for a seed germination. A seed can grow easily in moisture. Okay? Yes. So see here. So it is sinking. It is sinking means what? Uh, our cone is going down. Our cone is spreading inside the soil. And what happened next? See, improving every day. Improving every day. Means what? Going down, spreading every day. I'm getting to the soil every day. Okay? Hidden deep in the earth away. And I'm going deep in the earth. I'm going deep in the soil and I'm hiding inside the soil. Means I'm growing. I'm getting to the moisture. Okay? See? And means I'm going deep in the earth. I'm going deep in the soil. And I'm getting moisture. Means you can say I'm growing. I'm growing. Okay? Developing. And after that, what happened? Children, try to see. Each day, I'm growing. I'm growing day by day. And I'm drinking water. I'm sipping water. I'm taking water. What means here? Dew. The drops of water. Means what? Dew. I'm sipping dew. Okay? Sida, I'm just talking about acorn. Okay? So I want to repeat it. Acorn said, who said? Acorn said. Acorn said what? Acorn said little by little. Little by little means what? Little by little. Slowly, slowly. Gradually. Okay? Yeah. Slowly. A seed grows slowly, beta, yes? A seed grows fast, no. Seed grows slowly. Okay. And it is going down, it is coming down to the soil. Soil, understand? Soil, mitti, very good. And it is spreading inside the soil. It is getting everything inside the soil. It is getting everything from the soil. I'm improving every day. I'm improving day by day. I'm growing up day by day. I'm becoming big day by day. And and I'm hiding. I'm hiding myself deep in the earth. I'm hiding myself deep in the soil. And I'm moving freely inside the soil. Moving means what? Yes. Just to grow, yes. In the sense you can say. I'm growing. I'm getting bigger day by day. And I'm sipping. I'm drinking water. I'm taking a drops of water. I'm getting enough moisture. So I'm getting everything inside the soil. Okay? And Akon said, do you know, children? What did Akon say here? You just think. Okay. So just think. What happened here? What does an Akon say? Akon said something. And this poem is about a seed. How it grows into a plant, thereafter into a tree. So our seed needs some essential things to grow, and I have mentioned in the poem, our seed requires moisture, water. Our seed requires soil. Our seed requires what are things I'll discuss in this chapter. Okay? So slowly and slowly as an acorn grows, it is sinking in the soil. It is going down to the soil. It is improving day by day. It is becoming bigger. It is becoming strong day by day. And it is drinking water, it is sipping water day by day. So, in these few lines, we try to know something. Oh, okay. Here, little by little, just little by little, little by little means little by little means slowly. It means slowly, slowly. Means just use now, an acorn grows slowly. And an acorn grows see, an acorn grows slowly, just little by little. Here, see, an acorn grows slowly. And acorn grows what? Gradually. Gradually means slowly. Okay. Here, see, mossy, mossy, mossy. See, mossy. Here means moisture. See, moisture. Our seed needs to grow with the help of moisture, with the help of water. Our seed requires air to grow. Our seed requires what? Soil to grow. Our seed requires what? Sunlight. Sunlight to grow. So these are the essential things, and with the help of these things, our seed grows what? Gradually, slowly, completely. Okay, children? So now, today I have introduced 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. Your chapter was a little by little. I explained and I described something. So let me connect. No, stop. Yeah. Hari Om. Hari Om. It's enough for you, yes. Okay. Now, thank you so much. Okay. Hari Om Pandey. Shreya Singh.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Shreya. Okay. C.
Huh?
Thank you. Adarsh Chauhan.
चलिए खत्म है ना
Thank you so much.
Sir.
Ask, beta, yes, ask. Ask. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.